another item that is on my list. Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started with the video. Okay, first I want to give a shout out, no point intended, for items that I have gotten from Dollar Tree before. These are repeats and they are some of my favorite items. Okay, so my first item is this item here. This is the Fresh Sensations Carpet Odor Eliminator by Arm & Hammer, and I love the way this island scent smells here. Love when it smells really nice in the house, so I had to get this item here. I love this Mr. Plumber here. This every 2 to 3 months or so, it's where I need to use this to open up the drain in our bathroom, and so a lot of times I end up getting this from the Dollar Tree. It works wonders. It is just fantastic. So another item is this glass and surface cleanser here. I love getting this too. This is one of my faves as well. So a lot of times I end up using this in the bathroom on the mirrors. Another item that is on my list is this toilet bowl cleanser. I use this whenever I am cleaning up the bathroom and I want to clean the toilet bowl. So a lot of times it cleans with deodorizing, and all of that is one of the best things that they have at Dollar Tree as far as for cleaning products. So another item that I got is this here, this back brush. Actually, they call it a bath brush, but I use it for my back whenever I'm taking a shower. Other times I just like having this because my husband may not be around to cleanse my back for me at times. And so if I have this handy dandy brush right here, that won't be necessary. I can just cleanse my back by myself. So one last item here that is a repeat for me that I have purchased before, and it is this container right here. I love these. I can put these in the refrigerator to store food. I can place them in the microwave, and they work wonders when it comes to warming up your food. You know, some containers, when you put them in the microwave, and especially if you put the top on top, is an explosion that happens in the microwave. I don't know if you experienced that, but I have. But for the most part, whenever I place these in the microwave, I don't have any such thing, and then they're easy to clean. But yeah, these are a good container to purchase. So look these up if they're at your Dollar Tree. They are the bomb. Okay, so now we're going to start with some new items that I've never purchased before. They may even be new items to Dollar Tree, as well as, like I said, things that I have not even purchased before, but I've heard great things about them. So let's get started with those things. Okay, so this Eliminator here, I have heard great things about this, and this seems to be something that I thought that I needed to get to. Oh, really? It's a toilet bowl cleanser. I had no idea. Reading is fundamental, I just tell you. Anyway, now I got 2 types of toilet bowl cleansers to be using, so that's a plus right there. But I had no idea that this was a toilet bowl cleanser. I was getting it for another purpose. I wasn't getting it to clean my toilet bowl at all. So anyway, it cleans lime, calcium, and rust. Okay, so this is sort of new for me. I have gotten the carpet cleanser stain spot remover that is in the foam before, but I have not gotten the spray before, so I wanted to try that out and see how it worked. And so it's by Awesome, just as the name says, you know. So anyway, I ended up getting this from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to try it out and see how it worked. The other one, like I said, it did its job. This is another item here, Awesome. This is the all-purpose concentrated cleanser and degreaser. I've heard a lot of awesome things about this, hence the word awesome. So I know that people have talked about this being a great degreaser, and so I have some cabinets that have some sticky and some things going on in the kitchen. I just want to see if this will serve the purpose of getting rid of all the grease that is on these cabinets and removing some things. I know that I do have a degreaser from Grow Collaborative, and I usually use that for other things, and I have tried to use it on the cabinet, but it didn't quite do the job on like what I was expecting and wanting it to do. I've even heard too that it might even smell good, so let me see. Oh, it's closed, of course. Girl, what is going on? Smells like cleanser. I don't know what I was expecting. Another item that I have that is new, it is this soap saver here. So in my bathroom, there are some little cutouts where you can hold soap there. And a lot of times I just don't like cleaning the soap scum that builds up on the area there where you're supposed to hold the soap. But when you're using the soap bars, you know, you have the soap, and sometimes my son, he places the soap, he won't put it back in the soap case, and he will put the soap on the side, and then there's soap buildup. And of course, he's not the one that's cleaning out the shower half the time. You know what I'm saying? So I have less soap scum to be cleaning up in that shower. Bam, or as it says, bang. I ended up getting this here because I usually like to cleanse the shower. And if anyone knows me, you guys have heard me mention in some of my videos before, the bathroom is my least favorite to cleanse, but somebody's got to do it, you know. That's why sometimes I have my honey doing it. Anyway, so I ended up purchasing this because I just wanted to try it out as well to see how it does with cleaning the shower. It used to? Yes, because I think I saw someone do it on a video, and I was like, let me try that out and see how that works. And actually, to be honest with you, it did a pretty good job, but you know, I was like, I don't want to be using up my toilet bowl cleanser to be cleaning my shower all the time, but you know, sometimes you just got to work with whatever you have, and at that time that's what I had. Okay, so this is a new item for me too, this 2-in-1 eraser here. Also, I have heard great things about Dollar Tree's eraser, so I'm going to try this out and see how it would work in my home. So I purchased some time ago a duster from Grow Collaborative, and you know what? I can't even find it. I don't know where it is. I'm going to try this out. I'm sure it's good to reach all those little small nooks that you may not be able to get to. So yeah, I ended up getting this, and it is the microfiber fabric here too, which is always a good plus for grabbing all types of dirt and dust. So next item here is this mop, and it comes as a 2-piece. You get this part here to the mop, and then you also get the handle as well. Clean my walls. There is spots that are starting to develop in my bathroom, and so I can't always get up there. Sometimes my son is able to, he's tall enough, or my husband is tall enough to reach the ceilings. Me, I can't reach up there and get to those ceilings like that. So anyway, I was like, I saw in another video that someone used a mop, and I was like, that's the ticket for me. So also was this part right here that I'm going to be putting as a part of the mop. So you just, well, you see is just, it just has the Velcro right there. So I thought that was cool, you know, just putting that on there like that. And voila. I mean, it's not on straight, but you get the idea of what I'm. So I like that I can just take this. It's microfiber here as well, so it'll be good with cleansing the ceiling and things of this sort. And I can just take that off right there, and then it'll be really good for when this will be really good for when I have to just throw it in with some of the other cleansing cloths that I had and just throw them in the washing machine, because I love convenience of putting stuff in the washing machine. And my last item here is also on that same line. It is a microfiber cloth as well, but it is also a duster. So I like that I can have this as well. You know, you just put it on, same idea for the most part. Just place this on there. Bam, look at that. and then you just pull it off when you don't need it anymore, throw it in the washing machine like all the other pieces and things. So I think that that is ideal. So I can use that to dust, and then the next part I can use to clean. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.